Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to go through a step-by-step procedure for performing the McNemar's test in R. So the purpose of the McNemar's test is to analyze paired nominal data from two related groups. The data should be categorical, and they should be paired data, matched pairs. So for example, if we have a before and after measurements for the same subjects, and if we let's create an artificial data set. For example, we use before and after as the variable names for the data. So we assign before to this vector and after for this vector. Okay. And then we can create the data frame. And let's look at the data. So you can see here, this is the data set. It's a before and after. There are some changes, and some did not change, but they're all matched pairs. Next, we should really create a contingency table using the table command. And then this object contingency table is what we feed into the R function for McNemar Test. This function is used for carry out the McNemar's test. And here is the results. Tells us the McNemar's chi-square test, the data contained in the table, the chi-square statistic is 0, degree of freedom 1, and p-value is 1. Okay, so just remember you need to construct the data set before and after as the paired data, and then use those variables to create a contingency table and feed the contingency table object into the McNemar.test function. All right, thanks.